South Africa have been given a clear indication of where they stand on both the continental and global football stage following the latest FIFA World rankings released this week. The new standings unveiled by World Football's governing body come after the conclusion of the recent international window, a period that saw Bafana Bafana secure their long-awaited qualification for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Hugo Brass's charges drew nil-nil with Zimbabwe before cruising to a convincing 3-0 victory over Rwanda to book their ticket to the global showpiece. However, despite their World Cup qualification, Bafana Bafana have dropped 4 places in the global rankings, slipping to 59th in the world. On the continental front, South Africa remain 10th in Africa, behind nations like Mali and Cameroon, who interestingly failed to qualify directly to the World Cup. Morocco continue to lead the African standings and are now ranked 12th globally, followed by Senegal in 18th position. Egypt, Algeria, and Nigeria complete the top 5 on the continent, while Ivory Coast and Tunisia occupy 6th and 7th place respectively. Mali, Cameroon, and South Africa round off the top 10 African sides. For Bafana Bafana, the focus now shifts to the upcoming 2025 Africa Cup of Nations, a competition that has historically carried significant weight in determining FIFA's rankings. A strong showing at the continental tournament could propel South Africa further up the global ladder and improve their seeding ahead of the FIFA World Cup draw. With confidence high and momentum building under Bros, Bafana Bafana will be eager not only to shine in North America in 2026 but also to climb the global rankings and reassert their place among Africa's football elite. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.